Today we will do an activity that is based on articles. Do you know how many articles are there? Yes, I will tell you. There are three articles, that is a and the. Now Isa will explain article A.
Good morning all of you. I am Isa. A is you should prepare a common noun beginning with a consonant and as a consonant should sound example. A tree,
A table,
a ball.
Good morning all of you. I am Amna with article and is used before our word begins with vowels. Example.
An apple,
An egg. An umbrella. Good morning everyone. I am Manha with article the. The is used before a particle, person, place, animal or things. Example.
the wood, the guitar, the sky.
Thank you. Very good morning. Today we are going to show the process of life. How we are small baby and become an old man. I am a small baby. I cannot talk. I cannot walk. I can only drink milk. It helps me to grow. I am a toddler. I eat food and I drink milk 3 times in a day. It helps me to play and helps me to study hard. Look, I am grown too tall. I am a teenager. I need good food and health exercises to study and play.
I am a young girl. I eat all kinds of food. I need good food to study and play. I am a fully grown.
Adult. I work in office. I eat food regularly. Exercise to keep good health.
I am an old man. I eat food that can be digested easily. I have been grown become due to my age.
So you see how we are small baby and become an old man. But there are some rules which we should always follow. Breathe clean air, exercise regularly and maintain hygiene. Thank you.
ಗೊಂಬೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ನೀನೇ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರ ಗೊಂಬೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ನೀನೇ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರ ಹೊಸ ಬೆಳಕಂದು ಹೊಸಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಮನೆಯ ಮನೆಗಳ ಇಂದು ಆರಾಧಿಸು ರಾಜರತ್ನನು ಆಡಿಸಿಯೇ ನೋಡು ಬೀಳಿಸಿಯೇ ನೋಡು ಎಂದು ಸೋಲದು ಸೋತು ತಲೆಯ ಬಾಗದು ಗೊಂಬೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ನೀನೇ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರ ಗುಡಿಸಲೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಅರಮನೆ ಆಗಲಿ ಆಟವೇ ನಿಲ್ಲದು ಎಂದು ಆಟ ನಿಲ್ಲದು ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ಇರಲಿ ಕಿರಿಯರೇ ಬರಲಿ ಭೇದವೇ ತೋರದು ಎಂದು ಭೇದ ತೋರದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದು ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲದ ಹಾಗೆ ಬದುಕಿರುವ ಆಕಾಶ ನೋಡದ ಕೈಯ ನಿನದು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹಂಚಿರುವ ಬೊಂಬೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ನೀನೇ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರ ಬೊಂಬೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ನೀನೇ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರ